Chapter 2. Specters of Control. In the years following the initial outbreak, the world had forgotten what structure felt like. Governments collapsed like dominoes. Entire cities were cordoned, purged, or abandoned. And when the smoke cleared, only one force had been prepared to seize what remained: Nexcorp. It had begun innocuously, as a bioengineering and tech logistics firm with deep ties to defense contracts. Their early projects were prosthetics, pathogen research, smart drones. But behind the curtain, Nexcorp's true engine was consolidation of data, of resources, of power. Their first foray into control had been sanctioned. The engineered virus, codenamed Daggerfall, was designed to thin resistance and disrupt societal infrastructure just enough to make way for global stability under a singular command model. The kill rate was underestimated. The adaptability was not. Millions died. Billions fractured. But the ones who survived learned quickly. Nexcorp had the cure, and, more importantly, the food, the energy, the medicine, the guns. From their rising citadel, the central spire, Nexcorp extended influence across the ravaged world. They absorbed local militias, private companies, even remnants of national militaries. It was efficient, it was quiet, and it was total. The spire itself was a marvel of hyper-modern architecture. Tiered black alloy plates arranged like blades toward the sky, with kinetic shielding domes that shimmered when struck by even dust-laden winds. Its underground systems included fusion generators, drone forges, and genetic archive vaults. Nexcorp was no longer a company. It was an empire. Within 2 years, the world was not led, it was managed. The F.E.L.I.X project emerged during the chaos of Daggerfall's spread. Feline DNA had demonstrated high resistance to the airborne pathogen. Coupled with superior reflexes and neurological stability, they made ideal subjects for rapid military bioconversion. The first prototypes were barely sentient tools, controlled by headgear and neuroleash collars. But as demands for self-directed field units grew, Nexcorp's labs unlocked new neural integrations, emergent thinking, tactical problem-solving, memory retention. They created minds. And one of those minds, designated K2, broke free. The breach at the Caldera testing station should have ended the program. Instead, it became legend. K2 vanished. So did the others. Within months, raids began to hit Nexcorp convoys. Labs were torched. Surveillance outposts went dark. And so the term F.E.L.I.X unit took on a new meaning inside Nexcorp headquarters. No longer an asset, a threat. Director Veros instituted the Lazarus contingency in secret, an AI-controlled protocol to suppress or reprogram rogue constructs. Still incomplete, still untested. But when it deployed, it would change everything.